Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote you
This beige thing. Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
Don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
Philosophical aspect of linguistics. Begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think that it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand.
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out,
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man.